Aye, 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 yeah, 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 aye, ma. Ajembe sola ya karu tubanka. Ajembe sola ya sona ye. Aye, ma. Ajembe sola ya karu tubanka. Ajembe sola ya sona ye. Aye, ma. Ajembe sola ya karu tubanka. Ajembe sola ya sona ye. Aye, ma. Ajembe sola ya garu tubanka. Ajembe sola ya sona ye. Ajembe sola ya garu tubanka. Ajembe sola ya sona ye. Ajembe sola, ajembe sola, ajembe sola ya sona ye. Hello everybody, my name is Seguya Saddam. I'm so happy and proud to tell you I'm going to be giving you the 10th Namunjjoloba lesson. It will be coming very soon enough, so I hope you're all ready and prepared and you've been practicing with our lessons we've had before from lesson 1 to lesson 9. Stay prepared and I hope you enjoy this. Sending you hugs from Uganda, from Kampala. Don't forget to check the lessons on my YouTube channel, Saddam Seguya Saddam, and feel free to order for a drum as well and join the lessons. Peace to you all. Ciao. Stay safe.